Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2018 Buick Cascada. This two-door, four-passenger convertible leads among competitors in its segment. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include heated front seats, one-touch window functionality, power front seats, heated door mirrors, a power convertible roof, remote keyless entry, and more. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including knee airbags, integrated rollover protection, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.